to the bears. But once in a while, Treadwell came face to face with the harsh reality of wild nature. This did not fit into his sentimentalized view that everything out there was good and the universe in balance and in harmony. Male bears sometimes kill cubs to stop the females from lactating and thus have them ready again for fornication.
What?
Oh, God. I love you. I love you, and I don't understand. It's a painful world.
Here I differ with Treadwell. He seemed to ignore the fact that in nature there are predators. I believe the common denominator of the universe is not harmony, but chaos, hostility, and murder. Very late in the process of editing this film, we were given access to Treadwell's last videotape. Here he may have filmed his murderer. The killer bear, we know, was a male whom years earlier the Park Service had anesthetized. They extracted a tooth which established him as being 28 at the time of the attack, quite old for a bear. They also tagged him via a tattoo on his inner lip. They had given him a number only, 141. Bear 141, that's all we know of him. And here, could this one be Bear 141? What looks playful could be desperation. So late in the season, the bear is diving deep for one of the few
Good
remaining
evening,
salmon
Mr.
carcasses
Force. I
at the
assume you
bottom of the
haven't heard
lake.
that Ubisoft is having a sale on Steam today, and that means Assassin's Creed Black Flag is 70% off. It's time. It's time, Forsen.
Oh. Yes. Finally, I was waiting for a sale. Money's tight.
Treadwell keeps filming the bear
Mother
with a
is
strange persistence. And all of a sudden this. Is Amy trying to get out of the shot? Did Treadwell wait till his last tape to put her in his film?
Alright, this is fucking trash. Hey, and for the 3 years, man. During the badge. Went out with the 3 years as well. Double diamond D. All the third bibis. And